Good afternoon. Welcome to Daily Currency Update from the Currency Desk. Yesterday, on the first trading session of the week, we witnessed a flat opening for the dollar against the Indian rupee. But later in the day, as we had a strong inflation numbers, that is the wholesale price index, which came in lower than expected, we saw the Indian rupee rally quite a bit. This rally was mainly based on the expectations that we could well expect a rate cut from the RBI in the current month's RBI monetary policy meet, which is expected to be on 29th January. Again, another factor that was supported the Indian rupee appreciation was the fact that we had announcement from the government regarding a postponement of the implementation of GAR, which is the controversial rules on tax evasion for the foreign investors. So this was postponed until 2016. Now, based on this also, we had quite a bit of rally, and in the end we saw around 30-40 paise strong closing for the Indian rupee. Today also the outlook seems to be on the downside, but yes, we witnessed some support at 54.30 levels, which is a very crucial level for the dollar against the Indian rupee. We have witnessed a bounce back from 54.30 levels, and it would be advisable to wait and watch where the trend moves. If it breaks 54.30, only then we can initiate a further sell position. Otherwise, a buying with a stop loss of 54.30 would be advisable. In terms of the euro, we had a gap up opening based on the strong value of euro against all the global currencies across the world, especially against the US dollar. We have seen the euro USD strengthen up till 1.34 levels, and we saw it rebound just about 1.34 levels. So intraday, as we had the rupee strengthening against the euro as well, we saw the rupee strengthen. Earlier in the day, we had gains of around 70 paise in the euro INR rate. But later on, as the day progressed, we saw the euro come down by around 50 paise. Today again, we could see some weakness in the euro based on the strength in the Indian rupee. The euro yesterday touched a lifetime high of 73.41 against the Indian rupee. So we could well see the euro come down from the current levels. So currently we recommend a sell at current prices with a strict stop loss of the lifetime high, that is 73.41 in the spot. We do not have any major euro data today except for the balance of payments data. So if this comes in slightly positive, it could support the euro. The overall trend for euro is positive for around a month against the US dollar unless we have any negative news from the European area. Again, as said earlier, we have witnessed the pound remaining weak against all the major currencies across the globe. This is mainly because we have a recessionary type phase developing in the UK. Today we have the crucial CPI data, as a consumer price inflation data. If this data comes in comes negative, that is above expectations, we could well see the pound depreciate in value. Again, if the data comes in better than expected, then we would not expect any major upside movement. Pound has been tracking the euro, but yes, overall the trend does remain slightly downside, especially against the Indian rupee, considering the appreciation in the Indian rupee in the near term. Also, we have the housing price index data today. If the housing price index data is also lower, which means the demand for houses is decreasing, we would again see some weakness showing up in the pound against the Indian rupee. Coming to the Japanese yen, we have witnessed whirlwind, major depreciation in the Japanese yen against the Indian rupee. This is also because we have seen the Japanese yen depreciate against the US dollar. Based on the data today, that is the M2 money supply data, which was released today morning, we saw the data come in slightly better than expected. We could see some strengthening in the Japanese yen. Also, there was a statement from the Japanese finance minister stating that they would not allow any further depreciation in the Japanese yen, and they were comfortable at current levels. So based on this, we saw some covering of losses in the Japanese yen against the Indian rupee. Currently, we recommend to hold short against the Japanese yen with a stop loss at around 61.76 levels in the spot, and buy position should only be initiated if we see some rebounds around 59.60 levels in the spot. Thank you.